Welcome to day 25 of the 60-day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Tonight, Jeremy takes us through the technical progress made through 2025. Jeremy, can you give us a high-level overview of what the team has achieved this past year? Absolutely. The past year has been groundbreaking for BlockDAG, especially considering the development timeframe we've been working within. Our tech team has accomplished what many thought would take much longer. We've hit 10 major milestones that have brought us significantly closer to mainnet launch. Let's break these down for our community. 1. Security audit. Our initial security audit was critical. We integrated all audit findings to ensure BlockDAG is secure, stable, and ready for mainnet. This wasn't just about finding issues, it was about systematically addressing every concern and building in robust security from the ground up. Security is foundational, so what came next? 2. Alpha Network and Primordial Testnet. We launched our Alpha Testnet, which was our first public testnet after the initial MVP. This allowed us to test core functionality, measure performance, and assess ecosystem readiness before advancing to future stages. It was our first real-world test with community participation. After this, we launched an improved version of this network, which we called Primordial. This testnet had some improvements in speed and functionality, but was essentially a better version of the Alpha network. 3. UTXO removal. Can you explain the UTXO removal? We fully removed UTXO logic to simplify transactions and reduce technical debt. This allowed us to move completely to an account-based model, which streamlines our architecture and improves efficiency across the network. 4. Upgradability mechanism. How do you ensure the network can evolve without disrupting users? That's where our upgradability mechanism comes in. We've implemented a safe, versioned upgrade system that allows for staged rollouts, feature toggles, and instant rollback capabilities. This protects users while giving us the flexibility to improve the network continuously. 5. Account abstraction. Account abstraction, EIP 4337, has been a hot topic in blockchain. What does this mean for BlockDAG users? Account abstraction is a game changer for user experience. It allows for more flexible transaction handling and opens the door to features like gasless transactions, social recovery, and simplified wallet interactions. We're building for mainstream adoption. 6. Awakening testnet. Tell us about the Awakening testnet phase. The Awakening testnet was all about refinement. We improved network stability, enhanced performance, and strengthened wallet connectivity. Each iteration prepared us for the final testnet phase, incarnation, by addressing real-world usage patterns and feedback. 7. Miner staking. How does miner staking fit into the BlockDAG ecosystem? Miner staking adds an additional layer to our network security and economic model. It incentivizes long-term participation and commitment from our mining community, creating a more stable and secure network overall. 8. ASIC mining. ASIC mining is a big deal for serious miners. What's the status there? Our X30 and X100 miners have been tested and are working. This is crucial because it shows BlockDAG can support professional mining operations at scale. These ASIC miners provide the computational power needed for network security while offering miners serious income potential. 9. Ecosystem foundation. Let's talk about the bigger picture, the ecosystem foundation. Crypto mining does more than just secure blockchains. It generates sustainable income streams for miners and drives forward crypto adoption globally. We've built a foundation that supports not just the technology, but the economic incentives that make the entire ecosystem viable and growing. 10. Incarnation. And now we're in the incarnation phase. The incarnation network is our final step before mainnet. We're currently in production, focusing on improving user experience, completing final audits, and launching an incentivized public testing program. This engages our community while ensuring everything is battle-tested before the main launch. Additional development. These 10 milestones are remarkable, but I understand there's even more happening in parallel. What often doesn't get conveyed is the sheer complexity of developing and achieving these milestones. But beyond these, we've had parallel development tracks working on the Explorer, our IDE, Wizard Token, the Launchpad, and many other components. It's a massive coordinated effort across multiple teams. That's a lot of moving parts. How does the team manage all of this? It requires incredible coordination, clear priorities, and a talented team that's committed to the vision. We're focused on our objective, and we'll keep the community informed as we progress and as we're able to share updates. And that wraps up day 25.